My leather sneakers are new and improved thanks to Leather Honey's Care Kit. It comes with everything you need to tune up your sneakers. Now, before my sneakers looked really rough. They were dirty, they needed conditioning, everything was bad. But I started with the leather cleaner and the microfiber cloth that's included, and I started to clean them. And right away, they started to look better. Even the soles looked better after using the cleaner. Then, after the cleaner dried, I used the conditioner. And the conditioner also used the microfiber cloth. A little bit goes a long way, and rub it in really good. And then when it's dry, you can wipe off the excess, and voila, you got great looking leather shoes in no time. Now, it's also good on car seats, anything leather. This is such a great product. I highly recommend it. Buy yours today.